So, hello everybody. We are in exercise 5b and we are dealing with exponent. Okay? Of number 5, which says evaluate. I hope you know the meaning of evaluate. To find the value of. So naturally you will simplify and find the value of number 1. It says 6 to the power minus 2 divided by, have a look, divided by 4 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2 bracket. Now this particular bracket over here, it symbolizes that the whole 6 to the power minus 2, 6 to the power minus 2 is divided by 4 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2. As we were discussing in the previous session, that 6 is not in proper order. Why 6 is not in proper order? Because this is not a prime number. So we will convert it into prime factors 3 into 2. What about 4? 4 will be 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. So let us replace 6 by 3 into 2 and 4 by 2 square, keeping the exponent as it is. So now this will become 6 to the power minus 2 will become 3 into 2 to the power minus 2 divided by, this is 4. So 4 I will write it as 2 square to the power minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2. As I said that this power will get multiplied by, or this exponent will get multiplied by the exponent of each one of them inside the bracket. So this will be equal to 3 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 2. Now when you will closely observe this, what you will find that this will get cancelled. Okay. So what will remain? 2 to the power minus 2 by 2 to the power minus 4. Now the actual knowledge will be displayed over here, because since both of them are in division, therefore 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4, because this, the exponent in the denominator, when it moves up to the numerator, it becomes positive. The negative becomes positive and the positive becomes negative. How? You can see over here, 2 to the power minus 2 minus 4. So 2 to the power minus 2 plus 4. So why to go this way around? We will directly change the sign. Is equal to 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 times 2 equal to 4. Let's concentrate on to the other one, number 2. And number 2 states, if you closely look at it, you will find that it's difficult, but none of the question setter tries to put you people into problem. They will give you such a question which can be easily solved. 5 by 6 to the power 2 multiplied by 9 by 4 whole divided by, so I'll write over here whole divided by, similarly we have minus 3 by 2 whole square multiplied by 125 by 216. This was our first part, that is writing the question correctly. Have a look here. 5 by 6 square. So let me write this as it is, 5 by 6 square, because I want this to solve in the simplest way. 9 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2 whole square. Now you will say how and why? Because 9 means 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 square, while 4 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square. Now whole divided by this one, whole divided, the whole is divided by minus 3 by 2 square. So whenever we have when we have even power over a negative number, so it becomes positive. Therefore it becomes, this can be written as 3 by 2 whole square, because minus whole square becomes positive, plus, so no need to mention this, multiplied by 125. Now let us check why they have given us only this number only. Why they have not given some other number? Because beta is 125. Because this 125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, and 216 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So we can write 125 as 5 cube and 216 as 6 cube. So it can be written as 5 by 6 whole cube. Okay. Now next part is our observation, and my observation says that this will get cancelled. 5 by 6 to the power 2 and 5 by 6 to the power 3. Therefore this can be written as 5 by 6 to the power 2 minus 3 is equal to 5 by 6 to the power minus 1. But we have to write the exponent in positive form. This is negative form. So how to write this in positive form? By making or converting this into its reciprocal. So this will be equal to 6 by 5 to the power 1. You should remember, let me remind you once again. Let me remind you, this is a reminder, okay? This is your reminder that a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So 5 to the power minus 1 became 1 by 5, and 1 by 6 to the power minus 1 became 6. So please do not forget this formula, okay? Without wasting any time, let's start the other one. Okay? Number 3, 1, 2, 3. 5 cube into 3 square. Okay, 5 cube into 3 square plus 17 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 3. Now where lies the problem? People or the children might get scared of this one. But I would say that this is a sum based on BODMAS, nothing else. First of all, you need to do the treatment of this one, 17 to the power 0, and you should know that a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 17 to the power 0 will be equal to 1. You know 7 cube? 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, 7 times 7 times 7. This is your plus. 3 square means 3 into 3, while 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Simple. So 5 times 5 times 5 will give you 125. This is your 9 plus 1. 1 into 7 cube. So 7 cube is equal to 343. Clear? So 125 into 9, when you would multiply this 125 into 9, how much are you going to get? Okay, so you will get 1125, and when you will add this with 343, okay, plus 343 will give you 1468 as your solution. Simple. So the main problem was over here, 7 to the power 0, and the child who didn't know this formula naturally will get lost. Come on, let's finish the other one. We have enough space over here. 2 to the power 5, देखते हैं बेटा यहाँ इसका 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, this is my fourth one. 2 to the power 5 into 15 to the power 0 plus minus 3 cube. Have a look here, you have an odd power over a negative number, so your answer will be minus only. Okay, minus 2 by 7 ka minus 2 square. Now our next first part is 15 to the power 0 will be equal to 1. So slowly we shall start solving this one. This will be 1 because a to the power 0 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 will be equal to 32. This is my plus, okay. Minus 3 to the power 3 will be equal to minus 27. You have minus 27, okay. And then this is my minus 2 by 7 minus 2. Oh my god, here I have a negative exponent. Let me change it into positive exponent. And how it can be done? By converting this into its reciprocal. So minus will remain as it is. This will become 7 by 2 to the power 2. So what I did, I just converted this into its reciprocal. Let's solve. 32 into 1, 32 plus into minus, so naturally minus 27, and here we have minus. Let us break this one. This minus is outside the bracket, not inside the bracket. Had this been the inside the bracket, this sign would have been plus, but it is outside the bracket, so it will be as it is. 7 square will become 49 and 2 square will become 4. 32 minus 27 will give you how much? 5. So 5 minus 49 by 4. Take this as your LCM. LCM of 1 and 4 will be equal to 4. And again here you have 20 minus 49. So 20 minus 49 will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 29 by 4. Is it 29 by 4? No, it is minus 29 by 4 because you are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller one, which will yield or which will give you minus 7 1 by 4 as your final solution. Happy? Next, number 4. Number 4 says 2 to the power 5. Hey, what was this? I did, which was, this was third. Was this one third? Let me check. 5 cube. Yes, third and fourth. So we will do the fifth one. The fifth one says that 2 square to the power 0. They are fooling us actually, okay? Because any number raised to the power 0 will be equal to 1 only. Plus 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 6 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. I hope This is our question. Let me check it once again whether it is division or plus. Okay, so that at the end I need not to delete this one. So 2 square to the power 0 will give you 1, because a to the power 0 is equal to 1. आ जाइए 2 to the power minus 4. तो बेटा यहाँ पे क्या है ना, 2 to the power minus 4, this one has a negative exponent. Therefore it is better if we can convert this into positive form. So when we'll convert this into positive form, what are we going to get? So here we'll get 1 by 2 to the power 4, plus was already here, divided by 2 to the power minus 6. So divided by, achha, why to go in that way? Why not to do it little in some other method? Okay, let us go for some other simple one. So 2 square to the power 0 will be equal to 1, plus, why not to write this as 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 2 to the power minus 6, which will really make our problem easy, plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. Here you can write 3 by 1 to the power 3. This is the right one. So 1 plus 2 to the power minus 4, let me use other color, okay, minus 4 plus 6, because you are taking the denominator up to the numerator, plus 3 cube will give you 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 27 will give you how much? 1 plus 4 plus 27 is equal to 32 is your solution. Okay, let's concentrate on to the last one. That is not last one. Yeah, of course, it's the last one. Number 6. Okay, so number 6 states that 5 states that 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n multiplied by 25 to the power n minus 1 divided by 5 to the power n minus 1, wait, this is in bracket, multiplied by 25 to the power n minus 1. Okay, clear? This means this one is this one, the whole this one divides this one, the whole this one, this portion divides the, this is your divisor, the whole is your divisor, and this one whole is your dividend. Okay, so let me write this in some other form. 5 to the power n multiplied by 25 to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 to the power n minus 1. Do not get scared. But still here you will have to remember that this 25 is not in proper order. Not in proper order. Because 25 is not a prime number. Therefore 25 should be converted into its prime number, which is equal to 5 square. So instead of 25 I will write 5 square. Any issues? Multiplied by 5 square to the power n minus 1. Okay? 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 should be replaced by 5 square to the power n minus 1. Now, power over power gets multiplied. You should know by now that a to the power x to the power y will be equal to a to the power x into y. means power over power gets multiplied. Therefore, 2 will get multiplied to n minus 1, whole n minus 1. Okay, not 2n only, it will get multiplied to n also and minus 1 also. These are the little things which you will have to keep in mind while solving. Otherwise, you know, I also know 5 to the power n multiplied by, but a 5 to the power 2n minus 2, great, divided by 5 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Acha, what I observe that instead of writing this one, you people can cancel this here only. Any problem? If you are not able to cancel over here, you can cancel here also and you can cancel here also. Clear? You can cancel, you can see that 5 square n minus 1, 5 square n minus 1. So either you people cancel it over here or over here. Clear? I hope you people have understood it. Okay. This means we'll get 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power n minus n minus 1, which will give you 5 to the power n. Now this should be kept in bracket. 5 to the power n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power n as your final solution. 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. 5 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power n minus n plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. Now, my dear, I observe that if I can cancel it over here, why not to cancel this here only? Why not to cancel it here only? This was mistakenly. I didn't see it. Therefore, my dear, you can cancel it here also and then directly proceed on to this particular step. Or you can go this way around also if you like, if you wish. So I don't think you will go this way around. You will cancel it over here only. Clear? And then 5 to the power n, you will go for 5 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5 as your final solution. So number 6 was not confusing, it was simple. I confused it. Clear? You shouldn't.